So there are two kickstands on your bike. First one is the side stand. So this is the part of the bike you're going to be using on a daily basis when you get on and off your bike. That's basically what it's for. It's to hold your bike in position when you get on and off. So normally your riding position is here on the foot pegs. You can take your heel, click it down, lean over. It's really easy, but it's not the best for long-term storage or leaving it on a busy street, for instance, where fire trucks are coming by and they may have excessive wind coming off the street, or just a really windy day. I've seen it happen in front of the Beachman store where a gust comes and it blows a bike and boom, falls over. There's no recourse for your bike falling over on that far side. So to avoid that, what we do is once we've got off our bike, we kick this up, we move to our mid stand here. And you can see the bike is pretty well balanced. I can hold it with two hands, or one hand. What you're going to do is take your left foot, push down on the bar to get it like that, and take both hands here, keep it straight back, and push down with your leg as you pull back. It's that easy. Things not to do. This is what's important. So to take it off, you roll it forward. Comes off. Now what never to do is to grab here. Look at my back hunched over. It's bad. This is how you get injured. Going up like that. Don't do that. Don't grab your seat either. You see that will rip your seat off. If you're gonna grab here, reach underneath and firmly grab the frame. But it's always best to grab here. Don't lean back and pull it like a tug of war. You want to push down with your leg, pull up with your legs, just like that, and roll it back. There's your stand.